Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mandy. Today we're going to just be doing some odds and ends around the house. I'll be putting together an exercise bike. My husband got it for a Father's Day gift for my in-laws, but we want to use it really just to stay inside during quarantine and stay fit. If I'm being honest, we don't work out before quarantine. We're probably not going to work out now, but we still need to put it together just because they spent money on this bike. And then we're also going to be putting together the Babygate.
Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from
So half
last
the
night.
battle
We got a
was
little
getting everything out
drunk,
of the box,
yeah.
but I did
Now
enjoy this
I'm a little
project because
numb.
it came with everything that I needed to actually put the bike together.
Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's
And like
dark
I
out
mentioned, my
somehow.
husband got this as a
Can get
Father's Day
you off
gift
my
for my
mind.
in-laws, and they
Don't
actually
wanna
found it
say
at
goodbye,
BJ's. So
bye,
I don't know if there's
bye,
any left
bye.
because I think we
Maybe we
got like
should
the
take
last
it
one or
slow.
something like
I
that at the
don't
BJ's
feel
that we were
too
at. So
comfortable
you might want to
jumping
check it out if you
into
do need a bike.
something
But
new
call your
right
BJ's first and see if they
now.
had it because I know
Yeah,
there was only a
I
few
don't
left at
really
the one we
know
went to.
anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Oh baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little
It
numb.
feels good, it works, everything is working.
Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's
Success.
dark out somehow.
Nothing is
Can
wobbly
get you
either.
off my mind. Don't wanna say
Alright, one
goodbye,
project down,
bye,
15 to go.
bye, bye.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights.
On to the most
I've been
frustrating
shining
part
like a
of this journey
sunlight.
of the day.
I've
This
been
gate
thinking how
frustrated me so
long
much.
there's a reason
So
for
I
my
thought that I was missing an
feeling.
extension
There's
piece,
a
but
reason
it
why
just
I
so
need
happened that they
it. Yeah,
decided that they
I
were just
feel
going to
higher than
attach
the
it to the other
ceiling.
extension piece.
All
But the
because
way it
you
was linked
keep
together, it
on
was so
showing
seamless, like you
so
couldn't really
sweet.
even figure it
Talking
out that
till
that
we're
was
not
the
sleep,
second
not
extension
sleep.
piece.
Every
I was
night we
just, I
fall
don't know, I was just
deep in
annoyed by it.
love. Yeah. 'Cause you really get me, get me. Thinking
This
about the
project definitely takes more than one
money.
person because you
Every
need
night we
someone
fall
to
deep,
hold
fall
the
deep.
rail while you're trying to figure out where the hole should go to adhere it to the wall.
Wait a minute,
It's definitely not an
wanna
easy
leave me
project, and I
for
don't care to do it ever
yeah.
again.
Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without
It
you.
definitely took way longer than I wanted it to, but I eventually got it in the end. But when I was putting the pieces together, they would keep falling. Nothing really like sticks in the side, like there's screws, but they're made to be loose so that you can kind of have tension on the gate to adhere it to the wall. But every time I would put them in, they would just fall down the steps. So I kept running up and down the steps the entire time I was putting this together. So I was over this project. But, you know, it is what it is. At least now my baby will be able to roam around the house freely, because that's the main reason why we needed to put this gate up. She's at the stage where she's standing up and holding on to everything, so I really wanted to make sure like the gate was secure. But you could just see I was just so frustrated. I looked at the instructions so many times. The bike took me about maybe 20 minutes to put together. The gate took me hours to put together, and it was few less pieces.
I just need a minute or two. Minute with you's all I want. Minute with you's all I want. Minute with you's and a minute with you's and a minute with you's all I want. I've been thinking about the good.
So this part, it kind of killed me because they have like these, they're not tension screws. I guess they're like wall supports so that when you put a screw into the wall, it doesn't like rip through the plaster. And I kept trying to find a drill bit that was big enough to go into the wall, and I just couldn't find the correct size. And then I didn't really know how to put the tension screw thing into the wall, so that was me trying to drill it into the wall, and it fell right down the steps, just like everything else. But eventually I figured it out.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better you.
Okay guys, so the gate finally was put together and it was working properly, it was functioning properly, did everything I needed it to do, and I feel really secure that the baby is going to be safe with this gate there, just because the steps are right there, our couch is like right there. I want her to have some room to move around.
So about that gate project, I'm completely over it. I'm happy that everything worked out. I still feel like I have to do some adjustments to it just to make sure that it's fully secure, so I'm gonna have to nail in the other part of it. But I did want to mention something that's been on my mind. So there's a clip going around the internet about 50 Cent and Lil Wayne discussing black women, and 50 Cent saying that black women hate him and we're jealous of the exotic women he chooses. It has nothing to do with who he chooses. It's a matter of demeaning your black brothers and sisters in the process. I don't know why, in order to like another race, you have to disrespect the race that you are a part of. You can like who you like, but you can also just leave us out of the conversation. And it's not a matter of being jealous that you're dating outside of your race. It's just date outside of your race, but still be proud of your race. Like, you have a huge platform. use it to your best abilities. Like, make it positive, because everything that you do, people are following. You have over 50 million followers. I don't understand why you will use your platform to demean Black women. That's just my thoughts.